Hi, in this NerdBite, I want to show you how to use the rate function to chart data reliably at varying time windows. Before we look at that, let's see how a simple count function performs. Here we have a simple time series chart. It's plotting the count of API calls per minute right now. You can see it's around 450, 400,000. As you can see, I've fixed the bucket size to 1 minute. We have in effect a request per minute being charted. Now this is working fine, but look what happens when I change the time window of the dashboard to 24 hours. The bucket size has changed. It's no longer 1 minute, it's actually 30-minute buckets. The chart is showing the count for 30 minutes at a time. And as you can see, the y-axis has changed to accommodate this. We're now looking in millions, not thousands. On this tab, I have two charts side by side. The one on the left is our original 3-hour chart, and the one on the right is a 24-hour chart bucketed by 5 minutes. To make these charts more comparable and to be on the same scale, we could edit the chart on the right to accommodate for the fact that the bucket size is 5 minutes. We simply divide the count by 5. So this works. We now have the same y-axis, and these are now comparable. But as we extend our time window out, beyond 24 hours into 7 days, the problem comes back. We're back to different y-axis scales. So what can we do about this? Well, this is where the rate function comes in. Here we have two identical charts. Just like before, we're trying to plot the requests per minute. We can edit the chart on the right to include the rate function. We simply wrap the count with rate and specify the time window in which we're interested, in this case 1 minute. This shouldn't look any different. So there you go. So now let's see what happens when we adjust the time window. As we move out to 24 hours, we can see the chart on the left the y-axis has changed to millions, but the chart on the right is still within the same range, 450,000. And this continues no matter how big our time window is. So we can now compare the data much more easily. The rate function and many more useful functions are included in the NRQL Lessons app. If you haven't already installed the app, find it in the New Relic IO catalog. It looks like this. It's a really useful resource, so go check that out. You can find the links and resources in the description. I hope you found this useful.